This is my amazing client who drove all the way from Vermont just to get her hair done by me. She came in looking to get the rainbow hair of her dreams. She'd been trying to get colorful hair for quite some time now, but it wasn't coming out bright enough, so she took the journey to come see me. Once her hair was ready, we rinsed it out before cutting it and shaping it up and applying the colors. We decided on doing a sunset color scheme with a purple base. Whenever I'm working with shorter hair, I like to have the same color as a base everywhere so that it looks more unified rather than just the top of the hair looking one separate color from the bottom. I applied the colors using foils, blending down the purple into a dark magenta, a lighter magenta, and a coral color. We were so in love with this color. She was so happy with how bright and vibrant the hair was, and she loved how it looked so cool from every angle. And as you guys can see, that purple base really ties everything together and makes it look really cool no matter how you move the hair around. I had so much fun doing this transformation. Special shout out to Nancy for being the best and so fun.